Hey, welcome back to the series of Accountancy Chapter 2 Accounting for the Partnership Basic Concept. In this video, we are learning about interest on drawings. By now, we all know that what is drawings and what is interest on drawings. Interest on drawing is nothing but when you charge interest on the drawings or partners' drawings, that is called interest on drawing. Usually, the firm will charge interest on drawings on partners. So that's how simple. And in order to calculate the interest on drawing, there will be some situation. You need to consider some situation, or you need to charge different interest on drawing methods based on that situations. So how many situations are there? First of all, we have a four situations, and a four situation you have to charge interest on these four situations. So these are the four situations. First of all, we'll learn one by one. When fixed amount was withdrawn every month, that's the first situation. And the second situation is the same amount is withdrawn quarterly. Okay, there will be fixed amount that will be withdrawn quarterly, and I'll explain what is quarterly. Okay, next is when varying amount are withdrawn every different intervals. When some amount, like for this month it may be 1000, and for the next month it may 5000, it may vary, or it may not be like the first month, second month, third month. It may be very like they may draw at a March and they may draw at August. It doesn't have to be a pattern in a sequence. So next is when the dates of withdrawal is not specified, when there is no given date for the withdrawal. These are the four situations, and in the fourth situation, how you need to charge an interest for the drawings. So that's what we are learning. First of all, we go deeper in the first point. When fixed amount was withdrawn every month, in the first situation we have three different scenarios. So we'll look one by one. The first thing is, in every month, if they withdraw every 1st of January, February, March, April, May, that is called as every beginning of the month. If they withdraw at 31st or 30th, that is called as every end of the month. And if they withdraw 15th, every 15th, like March 15th, April 15th, May 15th, June 15th, that is called as every middle of the month. This situation will become under the amount or fixed amount is withdrawn every month. That has to be fixed amount. Next, whenever the fixed amount is withdrawn quarterly. First of all, I'll tell you what is quarterly. 3 months is called quarterly. If accounting period is start from April, we'll consider April, May, June, that is all called as quarterly 1 or Q1, and it's go on like that. July, August, September, October, November, December, January, February, March, like that it goes on. Whenever the amount is withdrawn every beginning of the quarter, that is called as every beginning of the quarter. Again, same work for the next. That is whenever the amount is withdrawn, that is called as every end of the quarter. That's it. That's simple as that. And next is whenever the varying amounts are withdrawn at different situation, at different intervals or different dates. They don't have to be the single date or sequence date. It may be like in the March 11th and in August 20th or something, which is very random, and even random amount like 2000, 5000. In that case, how you have to charge an interest. So that's what we are learning in coming classes. If somebody draws at 6th of like April, and again on 27th on June, that's very irregular. That means basically withdrawing amounts are irregular pattern, irregular dates, irregular amount. Next is when dates of withdrawal are not specified. That means whenever there is no specified date or whenever there is no dates for the withdrawal, that is called as the fourth situation. That is when dates are not given, how you have to charge an. So these are the four scenarios. So in coming classes we'll talk about more about this, but right now I have given a light introduction about these topics which are going to cover in coming classes. So that's it for this video. If you like this video, hit like and share with your friends. You can subscribe for this channel if you want, and if you don't like this video, just dislike this video. That is appreciated. And that's it for this video. See you in the next series. Bye.